Greetings from Bangalore Jacobite youth. In a small nondescript village in Wayanad lived a boy named Mustafa. Born to Ahmed, a coolie, and Fatima, a housewife who had never stepped inside a school. The stark lack of resources and opportunities resulted in Mustafa failing the 6th grade and almost dropping out of school. A disheartened Mustafa took this failure in his stride and considered it as the much needed wake up call. He always had an affinity towards mathematics and soon began doing extremely well at school. In 2005, Mustafa and his cousins marked the beginning of ID, idli dosa batter and other ready to cook products by starting their operations in a tiny kitchen. Today, 45-year-old PC Mustafa is the CEO of ID Fresh Foods, which manufactures and retails 7 food products across 12 cities in India and Dubai and has an estimated turnover of 400 crores. His relentless perseverance shows us that we must never give up in the face of obstacles. Perseverance is one of the qualities associated with the Christian journey. The greatest models of the biblical concept of perseverance would be Moses and Jesus Christ. They provide examples of following God's will through many difficulties. There is no question as to why God chose Moses to lead Israel out of the Egyptian bondage. Once he took leadership, countless circumstances on the way required perseverance. For 40 years, he prepared stiff-necked people to enter the land of Canaan. Similarly, Jesus was chosen by his Father to redeem mankind as the ransom price. During his ministry, Jesus faced adversity from his disciples, the people, and both religious and political officials seeking to entrap him. Perseverance was essential to maintaining focus on his mission during those challenging times. In Matthew chapter 15, verse 21 to 28, Jesus healed the daughter of a Gentile woman after her persistence appealed to his compassion. He said that her faith was great. Thus, persistence demonstrates faith. This shows that perseverance indicates a working faith that we must have in order to progress along the narrow way. The greatest test of perseverance for all of us were in the last few months when we were confined to our homes, and that has definitely made us stronger and prepared for any adversity that could lie ahead. Let each of us add the same perseverance to our faith through a willingness to submit ourselves to God. Cast all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you. God bless you all. Amen.